Hello and welcome to Speak Power Daily. I am Charlotte.
And I am Ethan. Thank you for joining us today.
In today's episode, we are going to talk about something very simple and useful, daily routines.
That's right. We will talk about the things we do every day, like waking up, brushing our teeth, eating breakfast, and going to work or school.
This episode is perfect for English beginners. We will speak slowly, use easy vocabulary, and explain every step.
Are you ready? Let's begin with the morning.
The morning routine. Ethan, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Nice. And what is the first thing you do?
The first thing I do is turn off my alarm. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom.
I do the same. After I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Yes, I brush my teeth too. After that, I take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast before or after your shower?
Usually after my shower, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I like to eat toast and eggs and drink coffee.
That sounds good. I usually eat cereal with milk or sometimes fruit and yogurt.
After breakfast, I get dressed and prepare my things for work.
Me too. I always check my bag to make sure I have everything: my phone, keys, and notebook.
Let's review some of the words we use so far.
Vocabulary time. Morning routine. Here are some useful words from this part. Wake up. To stop sleeping. Example. I wake up at 7 a.m. Brush your teeth. To clean your teeth. Example. I brush my teeth every morning. Take a shower. To wash your body with water. Example. He takes a shower at 8 a.m.
Remember to repeat the words out loud. It helps you practice pronunciation.
Now that we've finished the morning routine, let's move to the next part of the day, the afternoon.
Now, let us talk about the afternoon. Charlotte, what do you usually do after work?
After work, I usually go home and eat lunch. I like to eat something light, like a sandwich or salad.
That sounds healthy. I usually eat rice with chicken or sometimes pasta. After lunch, I take a short break.
Do you take a nap?
Not always, but sometimes I take a 20-minute nap. It helps me feel more energetic.
I understand. After my lunch break, I usually do some house chores. For example, I wash the dishes, clean the living room, or do the laundry.
That is a good routine. In the afternoon, I often check my emails, finish some tasks for work, or plan for the next day.
Do you go outside in the afternoon?
Yes, if the weather is nice, sometimes I go for a walk in the park, or I go to the supermarket to buy groceries.
That's great. I also enjoy going for a walk. It helps me relax and clear my mind.
Many people have different afternoon routines. Some go to school, some study, and others work from home.
Yes, and no routine is better than another. The most important thing is to have a routine that works for you.
Vocabulary time. Afternoon routine. Let us review some useful words from this part. Lunch. The meal you eat in the middle of the day. Example. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. Chores. Small jobs you do at home. Example. I do the laundry on Saturdays. Take a nap. Sleep for a short time during the day. Example. She takes a nap in the afternoon.
Also, groceries. Food and other things you buy at the store. Example. He buys groceries every Monday. Go for a walk. Walk for exercise or relaxation. Example. We go for a walk after lunch.
Friendly reminder, do not forget to repeat these words out loud. Now, let's continue with the evening routine, where we relax and prepare for bedtime. Charlotte, what do you usually do when the day is almost over?
In the evening, I like to relax. After dinner, I sometimes watch a movie or listen to music.
That sounds nice. I usually eat dinner at around 7 o'clock. I like something simple: soup, rice, or vegetables.
Do you cook your dinner?
Yes, most of the time. I enjoy cooking. It helps me disconnect from work.
That's great. After dinner, I often read a book or call a friend. I try not to use my phone too much.
Me too. Too much screen time at night is not good. I prefer to stretch, drink tea, or write in my journal.
Oh, I love journaling. It helps me understand my thoughts and feelings.
Exactly. And around 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on my pajamas.
Then I turn off the lights and try to sleep before 11. A good night's sleep is very important.
Yes, sleep helps you recover and have more energy for the next day.
Vocabulary time. Evening routine. Here are some new words from the evening routine. Dinner. The last meal of the day. Example. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. Relax. To rest and feel calm. Example. I relax by reading a book. Journal. A notebook where you write your thoughts. Example. She writes in her journal every night.
Also, pajamas, clothes you wear to sleep. Example, I wear my pajamas before bed. Go to bed, to lie down and try to sleep. Example, I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Repeat these words out loud. Try using them and describe your own routine.
Today we talked about our daily routines, what we do in the morning, afternoon, and evening.
We learned new vocabulary, practiced sentences, and had a nice conversation about simple daily habits.
Now it is your turn. Try to describe your daily routine in English.
You can say, I wake up at 6 a.m., I brush my teeth, I take a shower, I eat breakfast, I go to work, and so on.
Even if you make mistakes, do not worry. Practice makes progress.
Every day is a new chance to grow, to learn, and to improve your English, step by step.
Small habits create big results. Speaking about your daily life is a powerful way to build your confidence.
Remember, your English does not need to be perfect. It needs to be active. Speak it, live it, enjoy it.
Thank you for listening to Speak Power Daily. We will see you in the next episode. If you enjoy this episode, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more easy English conversations.
New episodes are coming every week, full of vocabulary, simple dialogues, and powerful ideas to help you grow. Take care and keep speaking with power.